I am grateful for my blessed life. I am grateful for all the wonderful things I have in this moment. I am grateful to be here and now. I am grateful for valuing this moment. I am grateful for being fully present. I am grateful for my intelligence. I am grateful for my creativity. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my talents. I am grateful for the home I call mine. I am grateful for the new beginning, for the new ideas. I am grateful for new opportunities. I am grateful for each new day. I am grateful for my vision and my goals. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. I am grateful for incredible things coming my way. I am grateful for the experiences I've had. I am grateful for the people I've met. I am grateful for the choices I've made throughout my life. I am grateful for being an amazing person. I am grateful for this blessed present moment. I am grateful for the incredible potential the future holds for me. I am grateful for everything I've lived in my life. I am grateful for where I am now. I am grateful for the gift of life. I am grateful for being alive. I am grateful for the presence of love in my life. I am grateful for the wealth flowing into my life. I am grateful for the prosperity I attract. I am grateful for the abundance I am manifesting. I am grateful for the infinite opportunities the universe presents to me. I am grateful for life flowing in all directions, always growing, always expanding. I am grateful for nature, for animals, for forests, and for rivers. I am grateful for living on this planet. I am grateful for all the challenges that help me grow and evolve. I am grateful for all the people who love me and wish me well. I am grateful for the people in my life. I am grateful for the manifested healing. I am grateful for the health dominating my body. I am grateful for all the things that bring me joy. I am grateful for the opportunity to live life to the fullest. I am grateful for being a significant presence on this planet. I am grateful for having a great job, for building a career. I am grateful for the blessings of the universe. I am grateful for this new dawn, for this day that will be wonderful. I am grateful for being here and now, programming my mind to live a fantastic life. Thank you very much, universe. Thank you for everything I have and am.